Hello and assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Iman Shabbali, and I am a educator and a learner who believe in creative and meaningful education. Today's statics talk is a part of my teacher's training journey, where I am exploring new and effective ways to make learning engaging for children and others. Thought this talk, I want to share ideas that show how learning can be simple, joyful, and impactful. So thank you for being here, and I hope you enjoy this session. So starting today's today's topic. So topic the speaker name is Arvind Gupta, TEDx talk at INK conference. The topic name is turning trash into toys for learning, and it's really amazing for us. The TEDx talk turning trash into toys for learning by Arvind Gupta is an inspiring and meaningful talk about education, creativity, and learning through simple materials. In this talk, Arvind Gupta explained how everyday waste item can be transformed into fun toys that help children learn basic concept of science and design. Arvind Gupta believes that learning becomes more powerful when children make things with their own hands. According to him, children do not need expensive toys or advanced technology to learn important ideas. Instead, simple material like paper, rubber bands, bottles, caps, cardboards, and straw can be used to create toys that teach science in an enjoyable way. During the talk, Arvind Gupta showed many examples of toys made from trash. These toys help children understand ideas such as motion, balance, energy, force, and rotation. For example, a simple paper toy can help a children learn how movement work, while a toy made from bottle caps and explain how wheels rotate. Their activities make science easy and interesting for young learners. One of the key message of this talk is that when children will try themselves, they feel confident and proud. They do not just play with the toy. They also understand how it works. This process encourages children to ask questions, experiment, and think creativity. As a result, learn become active instead of boring. And, Arvind Gupta also highlights that his idea is very helpful for children from low income background. Many schools and families cannot afford costly educational tools. Yes, it's very authentic point. Tools since West materials are easily available, this method allow every children to learn no matter their financial conditions. This make education more fair and accessible. Another important point in the talk is that learning should not be limited to book only. Hand-on learning helps children members concept for a longer time. When children touch, build, and taste things, they connect learning with the real life. This helps them develop problem solving and thinking skills. Arvind Gupta encourages teachers and partners and parents to guide children instead of giving them ready-made toys. When children created something on their own, they On their own, they develop creativity, patience, teamwork, and confidence. At the same time, reusing waste help protect the environment and reduce trash. In conclusion, turning trash into toys for learning is a powerful talk that's showing how learning can be fun, affordable, and meaningful. Arvind Gupta delivered a strong message that true learning happens when children create things themselves. His ideas turn waste into opportunity and make education joyful for every child. So thank you so much, everyone. I hope you all are like the topic, the message about today's speaker, Arvind Gupta, and today's topic turning trash into toys for learning. So please use this idea your children and your son and daughters. I hope they help your student journey in learning for them. So see you next time with next another an authentic topic. So take care and Allah Hafiz.